Hi, my name is Danny Delamea. I manage a team here that are using Microvellum. It was really easy for me to learn. I didn't know anything about AutoCAD. A week or two course of AutoCAD made me familiar with Microvellum. And then I started learning the ins and outs of Microvellum, like with the spreadsheets, getting into the nitty-gritty of it. Just the basics of Microvellum was pretty easy, like just pulling out a cabinet out, drawing it, moving it around. That's pretty easy. I could say I'm pretty good at engineering stuff with Microvellum. The beauty of Microvellum is that you can actually see what's going to be built. You can catch a lot of mistakes. You can see if it fits properly. I've been learning. I update the library, engineer special products for custom jobs. And I think that there's a lot more that Microvellum offers for our company. I think we can do a lot more. It's doing enough right now, but I think it can do a lot more. You just gotta learn how to do it.